Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hi. Are they sheep dogs?
But I can't keep them away.
Oh, of course not. They were born for this.
Oh my God.
Yes. Hello, baby.
Over here.
Oh, the smell must be just great.
You would think that these guys are used to them by now.
It's just their primal feeding instinct kicking in. They want to take them down. Hey, you sheep. Wait a minute. We don't have to be just sheep. So how's it going today? Not bad. Oh, you are so adorable.
Aren't they? They are like the cutest sheep ever, aren't they?
Well, pygmy goats are adorable too, huh? And there's Bessie. Yeah, what a gig, huh? Oh, I hope Jesus comes this year. Oh boy. I don't see him.